Previously, on our Trafalgar tour of the 5 epic national parks, we began the day's adventure in West Yellowstone, Montana one last time and were able to see some incredible sights, including the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone, North Rim River Hike, Travertine Terrace Hike, and finally, Lamar Valley, which contained thousands of bison roaming around freely. I was able to capture some incredible photos and videos from this location. The town of West Yellowstone also featured some incredible fossils and gemstones from local vendors which are worth checking out. Day 5 began with several stops at various scenic sites. Our tour was now beginning to travel south through Idaho and the northern portion of Utah. We covered a tremendous amount of ground during this trip and were able to stop in Logan, Utah for a quick lunch break. Various restaurants and grocery stores were located in Logan, so finding supplies for the remainder of our tour was very easy. After a full day on the road, we arrived in Salt Lake City for dinner at Café Molise, which was an excellent Italian restaurant. After dinner, we arrived at Temple Square, which is considered to be the center of the Mormon faith. This location features several gorgeous cathedrals, gardens, and unique pathways. place is really nice. A lot of nice flowers. So this place is basically the center of the Mormon faith here in Salt Lake City. As you can see, there's a lot of construction going on. All right, looks like there's one final thing over here. It's called the Nauvoo Bell. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's adventure. I know it wasn't as scenic as the previous videos. That's because we had to drive approximately 4.5 hours until we made it to Salt Lake City, Utah. So this is our hotel room here at the Homewood Inn and Suites, I believe, in Salt Lake City. It's very nice, actually. There's a nice little bathroom. I'm not going to show you the toilet, of course. I've never been a fan of that in videos, like showcase hotel rooms. But it has a nice little, powder room area over here, bathroom area. There's a closet over there. And the reason why I didn't showcase the second hotel in this vacation adventure is because it really wasn't that impressive. And there really wasn't that much to see. But as you guys can see over here, I have my charging station going. I have all my accessories for the GoPro, as well as all my lenses and stuff. And my brand new drone case over here. So I've been getting some great footage of all the cities and locations we travel to. And unfortunately, it is illegal to film in national parks. So that's just one of the downsides of national parks. But still, I'm able to get great photos and videos for you all to enjoy. But this room is actually a suite. You can see how large it is. It's absolutely massive. It's probably like 25 feet across, 25 to 30 feet across. And there's 2 large beds. So very comfortable. The AC is really nice. And I will be showcasing the main lobby of this hotel, so you guys could actually get a better perspective when you first walk in and everything. But tomorrow's video, I believe tomorrow's going to be Saturday, so we're almost done with this vacation. I can't believe it. And we're heading to Bryce Canyon as well as Zion National Park. So it's going to be a full day of adventuring. And I really hope you guys enjoy this content so far because it's been great. So anyways, I had a great time filming this episode, and stay tuned for more content coming soon.